Today I would like to show you how you can transfer files from Samsung device to HUAWEI Enjoy 70X. Begin by opening Play Store on Samsung and App Gallery on HUAWEI. Then download the same app called Send Anywhere on both, and when it's ready, launch it. Now you need to set it up. Let's start with Samsung. I agree and I acknowledge. Confirm. Continue. Allow. And not now or not now and OK. When you're done clicking all of those options, tap on your device's display and select Send at the bottom left corner. Then go to HUAWEI and choose I accept, confirm, continue, and allow. Hit receive right next to send at the bottom. Choose wherever you want to into pop-ups and go back to Samsung to use all of those categories at the top. Pick all of your files you wish to send. I will go with only a few just for example. And hit send next to selected at the bottom. Then go right in Here's Some Tip pop-up and finally choose one of those connection ways. To input this key, hit input key section, type in all of those numbers and hit receive button. To scan the QR code, click on the scanning icon above user guide. Choose allow in the pop-up and point your HUAWEI's camera at the code. As you can see, after that, all of my files were successfully transferred. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!